In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications or alerts from Udemy app. So if you are receiving a lot of alerts or pop-up from this courses app, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and put an end or a stop to these pop-up notifications. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so all you need to do is to go and look for app info page for you to be able to stop these pop-up notifications permanently. To do this, just go to settings on your smartphone, and then from your settings, scroll down until you see apps. Now from apps, go ahead and look for manage apps option on your Android smartphone or all apps, and then tap on it. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you find Udemy, and you can see my Udemy app is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your app using the search app option up here. So once you have found it, go ahead and tap on it, and you can see now we are on the app info page. However, if you can't find this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and then look for your app, and on the app, just go ahead and long press on it and tap on app info option here. This will take you to the same app info page. Then go to the permissions section here, and if you scroll down, you'll see notifications. As you can see, we have these notifications turned on, and that's why you have been receiving all those pop-up notifications or alerts from Udemy. To stop, go ahead and toggle off these show notifications, and from now henceforth, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications from Udemy app until you turn this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications from Udemy app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.